Page 2, Away in a Manger. 3/4 time, no sharps or flats in the key signature. We're using all the white keys here. We're in middle C position here to start with, and I know that because I look at the finger numbers in the first few notes. In the left hand it's here, 4 and 1, and the right hand you have a 3 here, and that puts you in this position. You can figure it out, like so. Let's just check the notes and the rhythms and all that here. So you're starting it on beat 3. We're coming in on a pickup beat. So it's 3, 1, 2, and 3, and the eighth note's 3, and then the right hand gets to play the middle C. That dotted line going back and forth between the staves, that's telling you the melody is going to the other staff. Some publishers use this and some don't. Some don't tell you anything. You have to figure out where the melody went. This publisher is telling you where the melody is going. So again, from the beginning, here, 3 and 1 and 2 and... Now here you got both hands together. Got an F and an A. And the F you're going to hold down for 3 counts. And then here, then you got to play an E, 2. You got both notes together. This is measure 5 here and then here. But the D is the melody. See the dotted line going up? Yeah. 1, 2. So forth. Let's go down to the last line. Measure 13. You're here. In the left hand there in measure 14, that's C, that's tied. You only play it one time and hold down. So it's here. And the fermata, you're going to hang on to that a little extra. When I do this with a metronome, I'll just add a beat and hold it for 2 beats instead of 1. Otherwise, you feel how long you hold it. Here and then go on. And at the end, the last 2 measures, the melody's in the bottom staff. There. This is harmony, this is other. Here. See if you can put in the slurs. Connect the notes. You can't connect a repeated note, but do the best you can. And then you lift up. Lifting up between the phrases is like taking a breath. Going, the beat's steady, just one. It's like lifting up. Go to measure 8 here. You're here, and that's the end of one phrase. Now you're going to start a new one. Both hands come up. So there's just a speck of silence before you go on. 1, 2. It's like taking a breath. Otherwise, you connect the notes. Except for the rest. As far as the dynamics go, or the louds and softs, it says MP at the beginning, which is moderately soft, mezzo piano. You'll have to decide what sort of soft is. It's in the middle range, but it's on the soft side of it. It's sort of soft. Not soft, just sort of soft. And I don't see any other than that, just sort of soft. But you don't have to play the whole thing as sort of soft. Get to know it, and if you want to get a little louder and softer in places, if you feel it that way, it's okay. You don't have to play it exactly the same all the time. Speed-wise, you probably heard this piece. Not fast or slow, just in the middle somewhere. There is a ritardando at the end of this. If you look at the last 2 measures there at the bottom of page 3, there's an RIT period. That means slow down. So it's just slow down. It's like a train coming to a stop, sort of. Yeah. Don't know how much to slow down, you just feel it in there. When I play it with a metronome, I can't slow down. I gotta go all the way through it. Yeah, I like to play it with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms and all. So I'll give us 2 counts because we come in on beat 3. So let's just try it together very slowly. Now you have to learn it first, and then once you have it learned and no hesitations anywhere, the beat is steady, then try it with me. Ready, go. Hold. 1, 2, off. Now there is a duet for this, as there is for most things in this book. I'd like to play the duet part and you play your part, but I'm going to take it up closer to how fast it should go. So I'll give us 2 counts and then you come in. See, the duet part doesn't have a pickup beat. You have it by yourself. I'll go ahead and play that note with you and to help get us started, and then I'll do the duet part. You have to be careful because the duet part is totally different than what you're playing, so you have to focus on what you're playing, but listen to the duet part to stay with it at the same time. Okay. Now I need you to go up an octave on the keyboard because the duet part's using some of these notes and you'd be in the way. We'd be in each other's way. So, and it'll sound better too. So rather, you just pretend middle C goes up an octave on the keyboard and is up here. So instead of here, you're up here in this position. And play it up here. Play it all up here, and it'll sound a lot better. Ready, go.